Greetings, friends and fellow cigar box guitar enthusiasts. Del Puckett here in this copper resonator 3-string cigar box guitar is going to go down in history as number 450. Number 450. And I signed it kind of like upside down if you're holding it like this. This is a Queen B. Queen B. And I wanted it to be able to just go like that so you can see the signature, and then back like that to play. All right, I wanted to show you guys a lesson. So I am tuned E, B, E. And that little chord poster on the wall right there is the Essential Cigar Box Guitar posters created by Ben Giddy Baker at cbgiddy.com. I'll show you that here at the end of the video. It's actually really cool. But I wanted to teach you this little lick right here. It sounds tricky and sophisticated, and maybe it is, but it's actually pretty easy to play once you get it. Okay, so it's 4 groups of 4 notes. And we are right here at the 3rd fret and 5th fret. And I will be using my index finger and my ring finger. And that's pretty much it. So the first one is, I'm on the low string, and it's a double hammer on, 1, 2, 3, and then this middle string open. So the very first group of 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. The second group of 4 is, you're going to start off with this note here, which is the 3rd fret, middle string. You're going to hit it and pull it off. And then you're going to hit the low string, 5th fret, and then back to the middle string open. So you put those 2 together, you get so that's 8 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The third group of 4 is right here. It's middle string, 5th fret, pull off to the 3rd fret, middle string, pull off open, and then the low string, 5th fret. Then the last group is, the 4th one is like the 2nd one. All right, guys, that's a fun little lick that you can do. Just take it slow, divide it up into those little chunks, and each one of those little loops you can just do over and over. I can't do that 3rd one. Here's the 3rd one. And then all these sounds are unplugged. This is just the sound of the resonator. My gosh, it's loud. All right, like I said, I was going to show you that poster check this out. As you can see, I took it off the wall. And here it is right here. Actually, I have two of them. I have one for the key of E, and the other one for the key of G. So whether you are an EBE tuner or a GDG tuner, you can go to cbgiddy.com and get these things for cheap. And they also show you on the back how to use these things. Very informative, very informative. Very nice to have on the wall. So yeah, guys, I wanted to show you that. I mean, these are not all the chords, but these are the essential cigar box guitar chords for these tunings. All right, guys, and also don't forget you can check out these Puckett Cigar Box Guitar t-shirts. Information in the video link description below. That's it for this video, guys. Stay inspired, stay tuned, stay blessed, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.